Using Zendrop for Shopify dropshipping involves a few steps to integrate and manage your dropshipping business effectively. Here's how to get started. Sign up for Zendrop. Visit the Zendrop website and sign up for an account. Install Zendrop on Shopify. Log into your Shopify store. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Zendrop and install the app. Authorize Zendrop to connect with your Shopify store. Set up Zendrop. After installation, go to the Zendrop app within your Shopify dashboard. Complete any initial setup steps, such as setting up your account details and preferences. Find products. Use the Zendrop platform to browse and search for products you want to sell. You can search by category, keyword, or supplier. Once you find products you like, add them to your import list. Import products to Shopify. From the import list, customize product details such as title, description, images, and pricing. Click the Import to Store button to add the products to your Shopify store. Set up pricing rules. In Zendrop, you can set up pricing rules to automatically apply markup percentages to your products. Manage orders. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it will appear in the Zendrop dashboard. Zendrop will handle the order fulfillment, including packaging and shipping. Monitor and optimize. Use Zendrop's dashboard to monitor sales, track shipments, and manage your dropshipping operations. Continuously optimize product listings, pricing, and marketing strategies to maximize sales.